Hello, my name is Aliaksei Badnarchuk, and today I am going to start a series of tutorials about client-server communication, and more precise about HTTPC or HTTP. Okay, so let's start. What is client-server communication? It is transferring data from client to server and back. For example, when you need to get some information or data from server, you send a request and server responses. Okay, and what is HTTP? HTTP is a language of client-server communication. It is like there are many languages of people communication and also several languages of client-server communication, and HTTP is one of them. Okay, so when we need to get some data from server, we send a request for opening data transfer channel. Data transfer channel. It is like a chat in WhatsApp or Telegram when you can send messages and get responses. Okay, so through this data transfer channel, we send a request. Well, it's like a letter that is using HTTP language. I forgot to say that server opens data transfer channel for our request only if it supports HTTP. If it is a very old server, it cannot support this technology, and yeah, this can also happen. Okay, we sent a request. It's like a letter that is using HTTP language, and this language is some kind of syntax that both server and client can understand. And when server gets a request, it must respond. Maybe do some action and response. Response of server is also wrote in HTTP language, and it contains some data that client needs. Okay, there are different types of requests. Get and post these are the most popular. Get is getting data from a server, and post is sending some data to a server, so server will do some operation with it and send a result. Okay, get is the most simple and post is the most popular. Okay, but how do we know where should we send some particular request? Every request has such a thing as an endpoint. Endpoint is it's an address where you need to send request. For example, when one person sends a letter to another, it needs an address of this another person to send their letter, and an address of this person is exactly what endpoint is. And endpoint is like endpoint where request will be sent. Okay, this is some basic information about HTTP, and in the next video I will tell how do we do HTTP requests in code. I will talk about JavaScript and Node.js. Okay, and if you like this video, then then and if you like this video and find it helpful and interesting, then thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and share this video with a hashtag World Youngest Programmer. I will really appreciate it. Okay, see you in the next video, and goodbye.